Hey guys, Fiona from China. Let me quickly show you one of our customer who has Hirsch EPS pre-expanding machine and 10 sets of our quick mold change EPS shaping molding machine. This is our customized central vacuum system for 10 machine. The steam tank is 20 cubic meter. They have 2 sets of air compressor, one for backup. The big compressor tank is 6 cubic meter. The red one you saw from the video is steel construction working platform for loading and unloading the mold. Currently, these 10 EPS shaping molding machines are still being installed in the customer's factory, 2 of them equipped with the robot arm. When the machine is ready for production, I will take another video for you. This is our engineer who is in charge for testing the machine. If you like our video, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye.